When I was born, the first words that I had heard were the words of Allah being whispered through my ear. And as I felt Allah's power in my soul, that day Islam took me in its fold. I am a Muslim, Islam my deen, Allah my Lord, His word Quran, Muhammad, praise be upon Him. I'm a Muslim for all of time. As I grew up, walking in this great big world, I gazed in awe at the wonders of Allah. And as I learned the cruel lessons of life, Islam shone through as my guiding light. I am a Muslim, Islam my deen, Allah my Lord, His word Quran, Muhammad, praise be upon Him. I'm a Muslim for all.